gamers, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Redragon mouse not working. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your Redragon mouse here, there are going to be a few things that you could do, and also you need to check here. And in this case, what's the first step? So again, like always said before, we first need to test a few things. So first is you want to test this or test your mouse in another device. Now, in this case, if you're using this to your PC, you might want to try this first in your laptop and see if that works in another device. Now, if the issue is with your PC, most likely it might be because of the USB port that you're currently using on that PC. Now, if it works on your laptop, again, the issue itself might be your PC itself. So in this case, if you have multiple USB ports on your PC, try using the other ports that is available. Sometimes the port might not be working properly. And also there are two kinds of USB ports. So you have the ordinary one that has white on it. You also have the one that has blue on it. So you might want to plug this in the blue one instead and see if that works. Now, another thing that you could try doing here is you might want to install the Redragon software. So you just need to go to the Redragon's official website and download the correct software for your mouse model. Now, just install the software to customize your settings and ensure or in this case, ensure full functionality. And also, if you already have this installed, you might want to update or reinstall drivers. So typically speaking, you go to Device Manager on your PC and you just need to go to your pointing devices. So this is just an example. This is Device Manager. So by the way, you could just search this on your Windows just in case. You just type in Device Manager. You should see it in here. So what you need to do is you want to go to mice and other pointing devices. You just need to look for your Redragon mouse. Right click on it and just basically click on the update driver option, or you can even just click on uninstall device here, start your PC and see if that actually works. Now, another thing that you could try doing here is you might want to basically check for any hardware issues. Now, in this case, inspect your mouse for any physical damage. So for example, if you've accidentally let go of it and fell to the ground, then most likely it has some physical damages in it on it. Also, you might want to look at the cable, see if it's fried, or in this case, see if the buttons are stuck here. And also, if you're having any sensor issues, it's delaying, well, most likely that's the problem itself. So if your mouse is still under warranty, try considering contacting Redragon customer support, and they could probably arrange for a repair session for your mouse here, or even like I'll give you your replacement if you just bought it recently. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.